Hey guys, welcome back to UltimaBeauty. Today, in honor of the new year, I'm going to do a fresh-faced, no makeup look for you. So what's a no makeup look? Isn't that just how you look when you wake up in the morning? Well, ideally, but sometimes we need a little help. What's always astounded me about no makeup looks is the sheer number of products you need to achieve a no makeup look. But honestly, for any no makeup look to look good, it all starts with your overall wellness and skincare routine, which I will be showing you mine in a couple weeks, so come back for that. So ideally, you want to be drinking enough water, getting enough sleep. I have not been doing the sleep part very well lately, so this looks a little rough around my eyes, but you get the general idea. I think another important thing with a no makeup look is starting with a great foundation. And one that I use all the time, actually running out of, gotta get more of, is Almay's TLC foundation. Truly long lasting color. It's light, but it's covers well, almost full coverage, but natural finish. It's not too heavy, so it works for a no makeup look. And then of course you want some neutral eyeshadows. So like I use these guys, it was from Smashbox, but there's many drugstore brands that are amazing that have matte neutral eyeshadows. Matte's obviously what you want to go with if you're going for a no makeup look, because nobody has naturally glittery, shimmery eyes. At least nobody I know. Also, you don't want to go crazy with the eyeliner. You just want to hit the lash line with a dark eyeshadow and define the lashes. It's technically what eyeliner is about, but I like to do more creative things. But for a fresh face look, this worked really well. I just used a matte black eyeshadow. Then concealer is probably going to be a big part of your no makeup look. If you are sleep deprived like I am, try to take care of any of those dark circles until you could get your sleep pattern back on schedule. And then with the highlight and contour, you're really just using a light and again matte shades. You're just trying to create a shape and shadows and highlights. Nothing colorful or over the edge. Then for lipstick, honestly, if I was really doing my own no makeup look, I would just use a lip balm like chapstick. It works. It's your natural lips, just with some balm on them. But I took a little different road today and I used a nude lipstick, but I didn't swipe it on. I blended it on with my fingertips to make it more natural. So I think it's a great way to start out the new year, going more natural, which for me is completely counterintuitive, but sometimes it's fun to mix it up. So without any more talking from me, here is my fresh face, no makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoy it.
So we'll start off by using a muted brown, a matte eyeshadow, and then just start to slowly work that through the crease of your eye. We're not so much trying to build color, but create depth and contour. So just keep working that all the way across your crease, little by little, creating just a rounded shape. Same thing on the other eye. We just want to create some depth to the eye, give it some dimension. And then use a blending brush to buff it out just a tad, going upwards, just so there's no harsh lines. Then take a matte off-white shade and put that into the brow bone. Again, we're not looking for color so much. Now we're just trying to highlight because we've already added our contour to our eye. Pop that on the lid as well and work it into the inner corner of the eye to give us a nice natural highlight to our eye. So with a no makeup look, it's not about adding color or texture to the eyes, it's just about enhancing them. Then take a matte black eyeshadow on a small angled brush and press that into your upper lash line, as close to your lashes as comfortable. We don't want to use a heavy liquid or gel liner here because we're just trying to enhance our natural lash line. Almost like a stamping motion. Just press that into the lashes. And try not to wing out your eyeshadow too much. Just follow the natural shape of your eye. It's all about keeping it natural and just enhancing the lash line, which is essentially what you do with eyeliner, but this one's a lot less dramatic. An angled brush is really great for this kind of precision work because it has a bolder end and a thinner end. Then take an eyeliner that is similar to your skin tone and run that into the lower waterline of your eye. We want our eyes to look open and bright, not too dramatic. Then take a mascara that gives length and volume, like this nice one here, and just put that about 2 coats on your top lashes. Sort of wiggle the brush back and forth so you're coating the lashes nicely to get again a wide open look without being too dramatic. And then just go gently on the lower lash line. We don't want to get spider lashes for this look. Just gentle on the lower lashes. Then grab yourself a concealer and pop that under your eyes, around the nose, anywhere you need to cover up spots or discolorations. And then I just like to work that in with my fingertips at first, really blending it. And then I take a brush for a bit more precision work. There shouldn't be much fallout with this makeup look, but if there is, this will clean it up as well. Then take a light brown matte contour shade and run that just under the apples of your cheeks, kind of turning upwards as you get closer to your mouth. And we're going to blend it in a lot. We want the appearance of a contour without the heavy color, which is kind of the goal with most contour, but especially in a no makeup look. So just blend that in with your fingertips, add more color, blend again. It's a bit of a process, but it's worth it in the end. So just building and blending color, wrapping that shape around your cheekbone, the apples of your cheeks, and blending some more. Then take a matte off-white highlighter shade and blend that into the tops of your cheekbones, into the temples just a bit, just for a nice natural glow. Take a matte neutral pink blush and just swirl that onto the apples of your cheeks, going a little bit into your contour shade, upwards, so you get a natural rosy glow without looking too dramatic. The matte finish really helps keep it all in place. Then I would probably just use a chapstick or lip balm, really, to enhance the natural color of my lips and just call it a day. That would be me. But you could also take a nude lipstick, and instead of swiping it on, I use my fingertips to just press it on my lips. It really gave it a more natural, more subtle appearance than swiping on a bunch of coats. And there we have our finished no makeup look. It's actually pretty easy, pretty straightforward. and it works with almost any event, any outfit, anything you want to do. It's very versatile. It's not something I do all the time, but it's great, and once you've mastered it, you can do it in a matter of minutes.
And that about covers my no makeup look. I hope you liked it. I hope you found it useful and that you can use it in some of your everyday looks. If you want more details, check out my blog. If you want a makeup look for parties, check out some of my last few videos. They are extremely full on and a lot of fun as well. Stay tuned for my next few videos. One's going to be a skincare routine, and I will see you next time.